how to add payment method on DiDi. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add a payment method on DiDi. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end so you wouldn't miss any important information. The first step is to launch the DiDi application on your device. Once it has been launched, move to the top left corner, click on three horizontal lines, and then in the options displayed here you can see my trips, payment, help, messages, etc. So for you to add a payment method, you would have to click on payments. And so once I click on payment, a black screen will be displayed because DiDi does not support sharing personal information such as your card details, your payment method with the public for security measures. But just follow the explanation and you would get it. So by clicking on payments, you'll be taken to the payment method page. On this page, the two major payment methods is cash and then debit or credit card. So you can just click on credit or debit card. Then a prompt will be displayed by the bottom of the screen. Click on credit or debit card, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to enter details about the card, such as the card number, expiration date, security code. Then click on add. And after clicking on add, you might be asked to pay a certain amount of money to verify your card. It's very, it's like a token. Okay, so and then after doing that, the card will be added successfully, and then you can now use it as a payment method, or you can just decide to make use of your cash as a payment method. So those are the two ways, and that is the major way of adding a payment method on DiDi. It is straightforward, so try it out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.